rumor like I do. I'm in my room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I listen to the kind of music she doesn't like, but she'll never know your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on a bleacher, dreaming about the day when we wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you, being your all alone, so why can't you see me? You belong with me. Standing by and waiting at your back all this time, so could you not know, baby? You belong with me. Understand you, and you're all alone, so why can't you see?